Good morning, happy people. Today it's Tuesday, May 19th, and we're going to try to make some money. So let's do a little pre-market analysis here. And just run through. Hopefully the audio is good. I got this new microphone I'm using today, so hopefully it's a little better than what it was previously. Okay, so over here I have the 1 minute chart on the left, and I have the 5 minute chart on the right, as usual. As you can see, we've been bouncing around in kind of a chop zone for quite a while here overnight. Yesterday, we just kind of moved down and then we came back up. But yeah, I'm not looking for anything more than a support down here. If we break, let's see where we might go. Yeah, we're at a pretty key level here on the 1 hour chart. We have fallen below the 200-day average. That is a little concerning. That sets up more for shorts, as you can see here. And we have tested it and held, so that's not great for longs, but we are at a key level here. We may bounce up because we've done it in the past, so I'll be looking for a level down here at full extension around 740, 28,740, maybe for a potential bounce back. I don't know if there's any real news today. I was looking on my financialjuice.com thing, and it doesn't look like there's anything major coming. Some pending home sales at 10 o'clock. That's not something I worry about. And then Trump's going to talk later. So yeah, just kind of seeing what we could snatch out of the market today. I don't see anything in particular that's going to drive the market. So we're going to play the ping pong effect here and maybe catch some bounces. And let's go back, check the 15-minute. Yeah, these candles going back and forth, which sometimes can be very, profitable. If you know, like a full extension right here, you could take a long and hope it bounces back up. It's not too crazy complex sometimes. So let's see what we're getting into once the market opens at 9:30, and we'll go from there. I am trading my funded account. Again, I did a Lucid Trading funded account, a flex account, whatever, 50K. I passed it in 3 days, had to generate $3,000 in profit, and now I am in the funded account, and I am at $50,719 right now, working my way up. I think I'm like 2 days away from a payout, but I won't take a payout until I get it up to the 55,000 or so area probably. And kind of as expected, we are getting a bounce off of that bottom. Pretty typical of what we've seen all morning. So that's, good. Let's see, walk you through anything else I'm using. TradingView here is the charting platform, 5-minute chart on the right, 1 minute chart on the left. If you want to try futures trading, check out a prop firm first. You can get a prop firm for under $100, and that way you can experiment around with it, see if it's for you. Worst case scenario, you lose the account and you blow $100. If you do it with your own money, you will likely lose $100 in a single trade, and you will be confused. So definitely recommend trying out a prop firm if you are new to the space, simply because it gives you the ability to play around, or paper trade. I paper traded forever until I got my strategy down, and I like paper trading. Teaches you the discipline needed sometimes. It doesn't give you the emotional intelligence that you sometimes have to gather from having real money on the line, but it does help you get going, if you will. Tempted to take this trade, but I feel like I got in a little late. I feel like I'm getting in a little late, so I'm just going to sit this one out. I don't want to get pinched in the middle. I'd rather just wait 15 more minutes. I'm up $104.50 on the day after commissions. What's $78.50? So put that over here. Burning through commissions, yeah. $78.50. Yeah, commissions are eating away at the profits. Boom, boom. Dun, dun. All right, here's that big red candle, kind of pushing it back down like I thought it might. 14 minutes till market open. We'll just hang out and see what happens. Now's a great time to go get a coffee, use the restroom, anything like that before the market opens. So that being said, I will be back with you guys in just a moment. I'm going to go refill my coffee as I say that, and I will see you guys shortly. BRB. just realized I was on mute. Whoops. What I was saying is I'm up $78.50 on the day already. It's 9:24 a.m. Had a couple micro scalps with a few contracts this morning, as you can see on the 1 minute chart on the left. Nothing crazy, nothing special, but here we go. Let's see what we can get into today. It's been ping-ponging in this range for quite a while, since 5:30 a.m. It may break below it. I'm watching the 740 level, 28,740, because on the 1 hour chart, there was a reversal that happened down here. So I'm actually going to mark that real quick. I like to do my support and resistance levels with blue lines. There we go. And get that guy kind of in there. And we'll put another one on this one. We got 732, just match it up. Okay. Now we have the levels marked. We can easily see what's going on. Bum, bum. All right. Market's going to open in 5 minutes. It's looking like it really wants to push down. Again, I'm not taking a trade before the market opens, though, just because there's just no reason to. Things could shift so quickly in the next 5 minutes, and we could have a big rally up. I don't see a reason to trade just yet. So we're going to sit on the sidelines. Nothing really news related driving the market today. Pretty quiet day. Going to try to just get some A+ setups out of this, bouncing off support and resistance zones or touching the 200-day moving averages, and see if we can make a little more than $80. And yeah, that's that. So 4 minutes to market open, and we'll start watching that first 5 minute candle form. And once that first 5 minute candle forms, I'll look for a breakout above or below it. That's really what I like to do in terms of watching for a trend to start forming. So right now we just sit on our hands and wait. I could see this bouncing off this support level. Hopefully everybody's going to have a nice little Tuesday today. Well, it's pushing down pretty hard. Oop, drop the magnet. Market opens in 1 minute and 15 seconds. See what it does. See what it does. Nothing to do just yet.
I'm getting my curb cut because I'm going to continue this.
I like the bounce play here, to be honest with you. touching this key level. I don't see why we'd be continuing to dump. Might take one contract here pretty early on. Since it's market open, yeah, I'm going to go down to one contract. Market opens in 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. I'm starting to get a big candle forming here. Market's open. Whoa. Big push right up. That's what I figured would happen. Okay. Touching the 200-day and the 50-day. Let some of this noise settle out. Whoa. Darn. Should have just taken the 2 contracts. I'd be done for the day right there, guys. In the first minute. It bounced right off of that support and resistance level like I was thinking it might. But it had some velocity. A lot of buyers stepping in. Which is good. I mean, that's good for everybody's long-term portfolio. Now we just have to sit on the sidelines and wait for everything to settle out. That was a massive wick. Or candle, I mean. Pumped it right up to the top. I wonder if this will hold. It's kind of where I thought maybe it would reverse back down. It's been in that zone. These candles are moving way too fast for me to jump in. I wouldn't be able to appropriately put a stop in there and feel comfortable about it. And by that I meant for the short. Wow, I love seeing this go up. Go, baby, go. See, the beauty of this futures trading stuff, like the long-term money is always invested in the stock market. So when the market goes up, I'm making money on the long-term stuff. And then this allows me to generate cash flow when things are going down as well. So you don't always have to be upset about missing out on a trade. At least that's how I look at it. I don't have FOMO because I know I'm making money with the money that's in the market long-term right now. So if I wanted to, I could cash out some of that and do what I want with it. In this scenario, I like to futures trade as well for additional income, but this is doing all the work for me right now, so we don't have to worry about it. All right, just hit the 200-day on the 5-minute chart. And one candle. That's impressive. That's a big green candle there. Yeah. Wow. All right. Well, now we wait and see. Still have another minute 30 before this first candle even closes. So, pretty wild. Pretty wild to get this much action on the first candle. That just tells you how oversold I guess the market thought we were compared to how many buyers wanted to be in there. No major news came out. Microsoft's talking about how new devices are powered by Intel processors. That's about it. So. This could be an area where a reversal takes place just because the 200-day moving average, that is where I like to take my entries a lot of times. And These candles are just ripping. Give it time to settle out. Already up $80 on the day. Don't need to give it back because I'm trying to get greedy with something. Just be patient. All right, so now we're 20 seconds into the second candle, 5-minute candle forming. We have a giant fair value gap formed from that first candle, as you can see in the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart even, but a lot of orders still left in there. Let's see what happens. I like that. Good bounce off the support level. Yeah, okay. That's good. We're going to take a long. We crossed the 200-day moving average here. That's my signal to go long. I want to see it go up here to maybe the 29,113 area. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, made $10.50. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. We're going to buy two and just sit on them. There we go, sell two stop right there. If it pushes up and keeps going, up 80. Yeah, we're already up 100 plus just on this trade. 108. Keep going, baby. Keep ripping. Okay, that was another $84 win. Up 199 on the day. $170 total after commissions. Let's update this. Put the profit. Plus 170 on the day. And again, that is after commissions, guys. Up $200 and then take out the commissions. So kind of a quick and easy push up there this morning. Still pushing up. Gonna be patient here. I want to get back in long, but I don't want to get burned. These are some extreme candles right out of the gate. The first two 5-minute candles are two giant candles, as you can see. I mean, that consumes the entirety of 3 a.m. to 5 or 6 a.m. and two candles. That's a lot of movement. And already being up $170 in profit, $200 before commissions. I don't feel the need to push it. No need to push it. Fair value gap above the 200. Let's see if we support it. Very tempted to press the button there when it was down at the bottom, but I think the full extension is like where it is right now, because this could continue to come back down for a little bit. I didn't really want to try to scalp that, having been up already. Yeah, look how fast these candles are moving. Just wait. Cool. Well, again, 9:41 a.m. $170 in the bank. Don't have to worry or push anything. Happy with that. I'll probably let this play out for the next hour, come back around 10:30 and trade a little bit. Yeah, I just don't see a reason to continue to trade with these giant candles like it is. I'll let this settle out, and I'll take trades later. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I will not be trading the next couple days online, but I will see you guys after Memorial Day, and we'll get back at it. So hopefully everybody has a great Memorial weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.